Story of birth of Jesus. This is a story for kids. Christmas is a great occasion to tell the story of Jesus' birth. This is a story. A young woman named Mary lives in a town and engaged to Joseph. One night, God sent an angel, Gabriel, to visit Mary. The angel told Mary, God is very pleased with you and you will soon become pregnant and have a baby boy, and his name is Jesus because he will be God's own son. Mary is scared but believes in God and believes everything will be fine. Meanwhile, Joseph is worried about Mary giving birth before they get married. But angel appears in his dream and tells him that Mary will give birth to Son of God. He also told him not to fear and to make Mary his legal wife. Jesus Christ means Savior, and the baby will truly be a savior for his people. Joseph wakes up from his dream, and next day, Joseph and Mary get married. Sometime later, Joseph and Mary had a travel to Bethlehem, a long way from their own towns. When they arrived in Bethlehem, they had no room to live in because all the ancient rooms were occupied. The couple was in a barn, a goat, and a horse, and on the very night Jesus was born, and after his birth, wrapped in a cloth. At the time of Jesus' birth, a new bright star appeared in the sky. To see Jesus, 3 wise men in a distant country who knew that Jesus' appearance was a sign of the arrival of a great king, and they rushed to find him. The 3 sages follow the shining star until they reach the barn where the family is happy, and they bathed Jesus with gifts and worshipped the Son of God. Like this, Jesus, the little Jesus, came into this world to save his people as a savior and true God's Son's representative. Mary and Joseph sacrificed a lot to give birth to little Jesus with lot of efforts and so many problems which are occurred in this society. By facing so many problems, they gave birth to our little Jesus, the true Savior. This is the story of Jesus' birth in brief, especially for the kids to know the speciality or greatness or the occasion of the Christmas. Christmas is the holy festival to celebrate around the world as Jesus' birthday on December 25th. I hope you kids, you enjoy this Christmas story. Means Jesus' birth story and why we are celebrating Christmas on December 25th and every year. And Santa Claus also gave so many gifts in your life to have a beautiful joy, wealth, health, and peace, and beautiful families around this world. I wish a very Christmas and Merry Christmas to kids. Enjoy this Christmas. Hope you well, play well, study well, and peaceful. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. I love Santa and I love Christmas. Do you know we call it Christmas because Jesus Christ was born that day, that is December 25th. Really? Now we will tell Jesus Christ's birthday story. Is the most wonderful story of them all, the birth of Jesus Christ.